Let's embark on an interstellar journey to explore Venus. Picture yourself wearing your coolest astronaut suit, with your trusty rocket ship ready to blast off. Buckle up, little astronauts, because we're about to zoom into the second planet from the Sun, Venus. Alright, kiddos! Imagine Venus as the ultimate hotspot of the solar system. But not the kind you visit for a vacation. No beach towels needed here. Venus is like the solar system's sizzling oven, with temperatures hot enough to melt crayons. Phew! It's so hot there that even your ice cream would say, "No thanks, I'm good." Now, Venus is a bit of a mystery wrapped in clouds. Imagine floating in a giant cotton candy sky. That's what it's like on Venus. These clouds are super thick and fluffy. So thick that they hide the planet's surface like a giant cosmic blanket. So, if you're planning a sightseeing trip, you might need a high-tech fog light. But wait, there's more. Venus is like the queen of spinning. It takes longer for Venus to spin once on its axis than it does for it to orbit around the sun. Imagine doing a really slow motion twirl. That's Venus for you. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet. Because they're similar in size, it's like having a celestial sibling, but with totally different fashion sense. While Earth rocks the blue and green look, Venus is more of a fiery orange kind of planet. Now, here's a word of caution. My little space explorers, Venus might look kind of pretty from afar, but it's not exactly a cozy place for a picnic, with its scorching temperatures, crazy clouds, and slow-motion spins. Venus is definitely one of the most extreme planets in our cosmic neighborhood. So, there you have it, young adventurers. Venus might be a hot mess, but it sure is one fascinating planet to learn about. Keep your helmets on tight and your curiosity shining bright as we continue our journey through the wonders of the universe.
In space so high, Venus does fly, with swirling clouds up in the sky. Bright and bold, a fiery ball. Let's learn about it, big and small. Venus, Venus, oh so bright, spinning fast, a wonder sight. Hot and hazy, but don't you fret, exploring Venus we'll never forget. Second from the sun, that's where it stands. Mysteries and wonders in its sands. Venus, oh Venus, let's take a peek in our space adventure at its peak. Venus, Venus, oh so bright, spinning fast, a wonder sight. Hot and hazy, but don't you fret, exploring Venus we'll never forget. So let's soar high with stars above, discovering Venus with joy and love. In our cosmic quest we'll take the lead. Venus, oh Venus, you're all we need. In space so high, Venus does fly, with swirling clouds up in the sky. Bright and bold, a fiery ball. Let's learn about it, big and small. Venus, Venus, oh so bright, spinning fast, a wonder sight. Hot and hazy, but don't you fret, exploring Venus we'll never forget. Second from the sun, that's where it stands. Mysteries and wonders in its sands. Venus, oh Venus, let's take a peek in our space adventure at its peak. Venus, Venus, oh so bright, spinning fast, a wonder sight. Hot and hazy, but don't you fret.